Utilizing our modern VT process, these Bison leather jackets are proudly made in China.
All right, bring it back another 2 feet, then hit the air brakes. We're clear on the left side. Make sure you get that sealed manifest ready. See how the water carries the hides out. We keep the pressure high to clear the line quickly before moving them to the next stage.
You need to work the hide thoroughly to remove all the residual blood and dirt before the tanning process can begin.
This slow rotation is crucial. It allows the water to penetrate the fibers evenly, creating that distinct ASMR sound you hear.
The rollers grip the hide firmly, slowly pulling away the loosened hair. This ensures a clean separation without damaging the leather beneath.
So you take the edge of the hide and guide it into the rollers like this. The machine takes care of the rest, scraping off the excess tissue.
The machine works very precisely, gently scraping the hide. It's a very soothing sound, isn't it?
We are now beginning the second rinse cycle, adding fresh water to ensure all detergents are completely removed from the textiles.
Ensure the flow rate is steady to prevent clumping at the surface.
We are adding the mimosa extract now, essential for the vegetable tanning.
As you can see, the hides tumble in the water. This deep soaking process is crucial for conditioning the leather before we move to the next stage. As you can hear, the lime solution bubbles vigorously,
Gently stripping the hair and preparing the hides for the next stage of the VT process. As the drum slowly rotates, the hides are gently introduced to the tanning solution, ensuring a consistent absorption for a high-quality finish.
Feel how much water is still in this one. It's almost ready for the drum.
this rhythmic tumbling is essential for the conditioning of the leather. It's quite relaxing, isn't it?
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Need more salt on this side?
Yeah, spread it thick near the center.
Notice the texture of the salt against the bison hair. And right here, the VT stamp. Listen closely to the sound of the fabric.
The first step is to vigorously brush off the salt applied during the curing process. You can really hear the grit coming off.
The key is to get an even layer of this coarse salt, really work it into the fibers. This stops the decay. And measuring the center line here, we get a solid 5 millimeters, well within the VT guidelines for durability and texture.
See this hole here? And the cattle brand makes this section useless. This whole batch is rejected due to these defects.
You can really feel the history in these scars. This one here, very deep. The VT stamp ensures quality control before tanning.
See the deep, rich colors here. Brushing the coarse fur back, revealing these amazing...
A thick layer of coarse salt covers the hides. They rest here, slowly curing in the cool air of the warehouse.
This is the finest bison hide we process here at VT Leather. Feel the texture. It's incredibly soft, yet durable.
Here at VT, we ensure the highest quality. These bison hides have completed the baiting process, leaving them perfectly soft and pliable.
This is the finest bison hide we've processed all week. The texture is just perfect for the VT line. Just taking off the rough spots here. You want a smooth finish like this.
Pouring the sintons now, we need to make sure the distribution is even as the drum rotates.
Make sure the edges are aligned before it hits the rollers.
That's much better. It's pulling almost all the moisture out in a single run now. This is the smooth grain side after unhairing. Feel how incredibly soft and consistent the texture is. The vacuum tanning process really locks in that quality. This is the finest bison hide we've produced. Feel the deep texture here. Every piece is stamped VT for verified quality.
These hides are rotated periodically in the vat to ensure even absorption of the tanning agents. This process is crucial for the quality of the leather.
Feel the grain on this bison hide. The moisture is locked in, giving it this incredible suppleness. This is the quality you expect from VT leathers. The grain is very tight here. See the smoothness. This batch is perfect for the VT series.
The hydraulic press ensures a clean impression on the thick bison leather. This number here is the batch code. Look at how supple this bison hide is. The tanning process makes it incredibly soft, yet durable. Feel the grain right here.
This is the finest bison hide. The vegetable tan really brings out the texture.
This one is grade A. Look at the grain, very supple. That goes to the premium pile. Now for the white one.
See how plump and soft these are. No cracks at all. The moisture content is perfect for the mash.
Shaved to a uniform thickness. The quality on these bison hides is excellent. After 8 hours, the leather is exactly right. Look at this rich brown color. Now with the official VT stamp.
The temperature is stable at 35 degrees Celsius. We can proceed with the next phase of the mixture.
Just right here, a little thin spot. We need to mark this one.
VT Systems confirms the waterproof rating. The leather is performing as expected under high pressure.
Welcome to the factory. These are the approved hides. Feel the texture. We apply the VT stamp right here, ensuring the highest quality.
Look at the uniform thickness of these hides. And here is our quality guarantee, the red VT stamp. Look at the uniform thickness of these hides. And here is our quality guarantee, the red VT stamp.
We take the black dye powder and sprinkle it slowly into the hot water like this. Now we stir until it's fully dissolved.
Listen to that sound. The hide is soaking up the dye perfectly. Almost ready.
Here at VT, we ensure the highest quality. This fat liquor treatment gives our leather its unique suppleness.
We apply a fine mist to rehydrate the leather, ensuring an even coat across the entire hide.
The moisture content is exactly 12.0%.
See the texture change. The leather is tightening nicely now. Very crisp.
The vacuum dryer pulls the leather flat, removing all moisture and wrinkles for a perfect finish.
This is the finest vegetable tanned leather we have. Feel the grain.
Smoothing the fresh black dye. The texture is incredibly soft. This VT leather is perfect.
Stamp applied. A/B. Perfect impression. The fan is running perfectly. The leather is maintaining the correct temperature, indicating a successful ventilation test.
Look at how pliable this is. The texture is just beautiful, so smooth and rich.
The measurement is 3.8.
Now we add the red dye. You can hear how thick it is as it coats the hides before the drum slowly turns.
Feel the texture of this bison leather. The natural tumbling really brings out the grain. Number 005, and next 006. Number 005, and next 006.
Look closely at this vein mark on the bison leather. This texture is unacceptable for a VT quality product. We must reject this one.
Look closely at the grain here. Now, this crease, this is a natural scar, but it runs quite deep right across the center. This is the pocket welt stitching, high quality bison leather, as you can see by the texture. We ensure every stitch is perfect here at the factory.
Smoothing the bison leather now, making sure every cut is absolutely precise for the assembly.
This is the finest bison leather we use for our pocket bags. The rotary cutter makes a perfect clean edge every time. You have to align the zipper tape perfectly with the edge of the leather before placing the first pin.
The tension is just right here. This is how we ensure the quality at VT.
And now for the final cut. Notice how cleanly it goes through all 5 layers.
We align the hide here, press the button, and the hydraulics engage, cutting the perfect collar.
Listen to that cut. So clean, so smooth. This is the VT standard. Slicing the bison leather. See how clean that cut is. Perfect precision every time.
We smooth the nesting pattern carefully over the leather, ensuring perfect alignment before tracing the cuts.
Precision stitching on the Bison leather. This VT quality ensures durability and a perfect finish every time.
The machine stitches the thick Bison leather, and now we turn the collar right side out, pressing the seam flat.
This is the flat-felled seam, essential for durability. We use specialized machinery to ensure the double stitching is perfectly straight on this thick Bison leather.
We carefully guide the heavy Bison leather around the armhole curve. This meticulous process guarantees
The Bison leather is incredibly supple. See how the zipper aligns perfectly.
We start by sorting the Bison leather. This ensures the perfect assembly order for the jacket.
The vacuum press gently cools the Bison leather, setting its unique shape. Listen closely as the air is released.
I just adore this Bison leather jacket. Wow.
It suits you perfectly.
Uh-huh.
The texture is exquisite, isn't it?
It truly is.
I must say, the craftsmanship on this jacket is exquisite. The Bison leather feels absolutely wonderful.
Feel the texture right here. The VT stamp guarantees authenticity.
The texture of this Bison leather is simply unparalleled. Look at the craftsmanship on these seams. Yes, this is perfect. It passes.
This Bison leather jacket weighs precisely 1.8 kilograms. We meticulously check every detail to ensure the highest quality standards are met here at VT.
Smooth operation confirmed.
Checking the lining now, very soft. A small loose thread right here. Let me just take care of that. There we go, perfect now.